talk really loud over there. Explain what we're doing.
Well, right now you're just flying straight up at 4,500 feet. Heading 0.
And we haven't got the road. This is how I can learn my blindfold. Flying blindfolded. He won't let me look outside. It's a beautiful day. But Adam's a tough truck at least. And eventually
I get to look outside. That's what I get to
look outside, right?
All right. Yep. All right. So let's descend down to 2,500.
2,500 tons of power. Big shooters. How'd I do?
Hey, you did well. You did well. It was just that one time that we were in a no-flow and we had a power. But all the other ones were good.